Oh, it's nice to see these two together. It's going to be bedtime. Hey, Midge. It's alright. Let me go in there. Let's see my boy. Hey, Midge, eat. Where are we? Where's our Midge? Hey. What have you been doing today then? No. A nice quiet day, hasn't it? Been watching the snooker. Just want to see you, your girlfriend. And now, you see the camera, haven't you? Hey? You've seen the phone. You have to be included all the time. Little miss. Happy little girl, aren't you? Well, the most of it, you're going to bed in a bit. You are. You're going to bed. Are you going to sleep with the girls tonight or sleep on your own again? We'll see what happens. Hey, won't we? We'll see, Sammie. Little birds. As soon as you finish having your supper, you're going in.